Boys and I have been talking about possessives and Brazilian Portuguese. We feel that they're far too complicated, and if you don't simplify them, I'll let the boys get a hold of you.
Okay, Elder Allred. I can understand why you'll be upset about possessives in Portuguese. But perhaps the following explanation would make the whole matter much simpler, and then you can be calm. Now, anything possessed in Portuguese must be either masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, or feminine plural. Take the case of my. There are 4 different forms for my, depending on these variations. For example, meu livro would be masculine singular because book is masculine singular. But then look at meus livros, where both add an S. Look at minha caneta. This also means my, even though it's different, because it must be feminine singular to agree with caneta. And then if you pluralize this, you have minhas canetas. So, meu livro, meus livros, minha caneta, minhas canetas. The same thing happens with nosso. For example, our book. You would have nosso livro, because it's masculine singular, nossos livros, because it's masculine plural, nossa caneta, because it's feminine singular, and nossas canetas, because it's feminine plural. Now, when you have the expression seu livro, as you see here, seu livro, there are 4 different possibilities for this. It can either be his book, it can be her book, it can even be your book, and it can be their book. Now, normally it's going to mean your book when you're talking with somebody else and you say seu livro. But if you want to clarify, when you want it to mean his book, here's what you do. You write o livro dele. In other words, the book of him. So when you want to write her book, you write o livro dela, the book of her. When you want to write his book, you write o livro dele, the book of him. And for their book, you have 2 possibilities. You can either write o livro deles, meaning their book, the men's book, or the mixed groups book, or o livro delas, meaning the book of them, the women. So, Elder Allred, I hope this simplifies it enough to make you happy, because I wouldn't want to have you angry. Peace.